probably seen e-scooters like these dumped all over Tampa. Sometimes they even end up in the water.
Well, today one e-scooter company made time to teach people the best practices when spending time with these scooters. Lime spent an hour today teaching first-time riders how to get comfortable with the scooters in the proper places to park them. The instructor says one important point he stresses to his students: know the speed limit.
Knowing the area that you're in, knowing where you're at, knowing where to drive them on the sidewalk, whether on the road, and just knowing how to brake and use it properly, how to maneuver it. Because some people, they like to get a little bit too comfortable and do risky things, in other words.
I like how they have helmets there. Safety first.
Yeah, you don't see that around town.
No. Lime is one of 4 e-scooter companies operating in downtown Tampa, and it says it plans to expand to St. Pete and Clearwater and other Bay Area cities. But to avoid the problem that Tampa has seen, both Clearwater and St. Pete say there will be strict rules.
Yeah, the scooters there will only go up to 15 miles per hour and can only be driven on roads with a speed limit under 30 miles per hour.